Upon watching a trailer for the new Disney movie Wish, I saw cute mushrooms in the background scenery that inspired me to create this drawing. I first start by drawing the cap, or top of the mushroom. Remember to stop or slow the video at any time when needed to follow along. The grid lines are to help you see where the lines I am drawing are in relation to each other. Draw a little grass mound for the base. Don't worry about copying my drawing, just make short zigzag lines up and down in the form of a hill. From under the cap, draw 2 lines down to the grass. This is the stalk. It can be thick or thin however you like it. I now draw circles on the cap. Not all mushrooms have these, but generally when you see cartoon mushrooms they seem to be shown this way. Let's give the mushroom some personality now by drawing in a face. I used 2 of the cap circles for the eyes. At the bottom section of the cap, draw in some straight lines. This is for what is called the gills of the mushroom. And at the base, under the mushroom, we can draw in a few little sprouts or baby mushrooms. This adds to the overall appearance of the scenery. Just color your picture and you have created another cartooning masterpiece.